Are you looking for a turnkey property which producing $5,000 plus a month? Hi everyone, this is Leslie from Keller Williams Real Estate Associates. Today I'm here to presenting my newest listing at 10 Buffalo Street in Brantford. This home offers 7 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. An L-shaped lot allows plenty of parking space. And we have a side entrance here and connect to the basement, which you can make a separate rental unit. This home has been recently renovated. Let's have a look. Main entrance side unit offers spacious living and family room. Family room has sliding door and you can treat it as additional bedroom. Main floor offers 1 huge bedroom and 1 full-sized bathroom. When you enter from the side entrance, brand new kitchen is right here. Going upstairs for 3 decent-sized bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It has been updated to new laminate flooring and new bathroom with glass shower. If you have any questions or would like to book private tour, please call me or text me at 416-409-7368.